For this project, I wanted to build a custom cabinet base with a tabletop and shelving above it, and then I wanted to have a custom built look built into the wall. And so I used crown molding on the top, baseboard on the bottom, and caulking and white paint. The materials used was mainly 3/4 inch plywood with poplar fronts. In the next video, I will go through step by step on the process of how to build this unit. This is just a quick summary and quick look. This is the part where we build the shelving, and what we did was attached it to the back wall studs, and then we screwed them together as well. Here you can see the poplar fronts are being added. We're adding some crown molding and baseboard. We used glue and brad nails for this process. And to finish off the project, we used HomeRight's paint sprayer. Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a tour of the library, and so right now we're going to decorate the shelves, and anything you see we'll try to link it in the description box below. Some of them will be affiliate links, and if you do make a purchase or anything, that'll definitely help out the channel, so I appreciate it. So let's get started. So I'm going to give you a tour of the built-in shelf, the built-in libraries, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Here's the room. It has the French doors. So as you enter here, this wall used to be blank. So this is where you enter the room. So as you can see, I put some crown molding on the top, 3 layers. I built 16 shelves. The bottom ones are slightly bigger than the top 3. I purposely did that so we can fit different things on the bottom, taller plants, etc. And then the cabinets below were pre-made. I bought these at Lowe's, and I had to adjust the doors so that they were even. They came kind of crooked, and so I redid them so that they're all even, as you can see. And the door handles were purchased on Amazon. They're brass or gold color, and I installed those. And then I installed LED strip lighting under all the cabinets, as you can see there. And I pre-wired it while I was building this. And what's cool is I installed a secret door here, which controls the lighting. So we pull here, and here's the knob, and I'm gonna turn the lighting all the way off so that you can see they're all off now. And then I'll turn it on right now so you can see. Yep, and then now I can close my secret door that has an outlet in the back there. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and that was the tour of the built-in library shelves. So in the next video, I'm going to go into detail of how I built this library and show you step by step on how to do it yourself. So subscribe, smash the like button, share this video, and remember, you can always do it yourself, but take safety precautions when using power tools.